that wasn't going to go. Yeah, that would be hot under there.
That's like the front door closed and the roller was too big.
That's only half flap, eh?
Yeah, I know one engine dropped out.
Yeah, that's that lean bloody number 3 again.
Yeah. Yes, it ballooned quite badly on when I put full flap on, so I...
Yeah.
Right tack down? Yep. Tackling out?
Yep. I'm just waiting to duck his landing.
You know what made that landing so good?
That's a 10.5.
You know why it was 10.5? Because the fucking idle trim was so high and I was actually pulling it back as I was landing.
Pete's just lost the wheel, his undercarriage, brand new plane, maiden flight. Undercarriage wasn't coming in, he's just lost the wheel.